In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and use HubSpot teams, a process that will only take about 5 minutes. Whether you're new to HubSpot or you're looking to improve your team's collaboration, creating teams in HubSpot is a powerful way to manage your contacts and organize your workflow. Let's get started with these simple steps. First, you'll need to navigate to the HubSpot homepage. Open your preferred web browser and type in the URL for HubSpot or search for HubSpot if it's easier for you. Once you're on the homepage, you'll notice a button labeled Log In. Click on this to proceed. If you aren't logged in already, take a moment to enter your credentials to access your account. This will lead you to the HubSpot homepage. Once you're logged in and at the HubSpot home, look for the Settings gear icon. You'll find it likely on the top right corner of your screen. Clicking on Settings will open up a new array of options specifically designed to help you customize your HubSpot experience according to your needs. As the Settings page loads up, you'll see several choices on the left panel. Focus your attention on Users and Teams. Clicking on Users and Teams will lead you to a page that displays various options relating to your team management. Next, you'll want to select the Teams tab on the Users and Teams settings page. This section is where you'll manage all things related to your team, so spend a moment getting familiar with the layout if you're new to it. Now for the fun part, creating your team. Look for a button that says Create Team. This is usually prominently displayed, making it easy to click and begin the creation process. Clicking this button will open a new window or panel for you to enter the details of your new team. In this window, you'll be asked to provide a name for your team. Choose a name that best reflects the purpose or function of this team within your organization, as it will be the identifier used across HubSpot. You might also have additional options to add a description or select specific team members depending on your HubSpot configuration. Take advantage of these options for greater clarity and organization. Congratulations, you've just created a team on HubSpot. Remember, having clearly defined teams helps keep your organization's structure efficient and effective. From here, you can also assign contacts, deals, and tasks to different teams, enabling more focused and collaborative work. If you ever need to manage your teams again, you can simply return to the Users and Teams settings. And that's all there is to it. In just a few simple steps, you've learned how to create and utilize teams within HubSpot to help streamline your business processes. Keep exploring HubSpot's features to make the most of its robust tools. Thanks for tuning in, and see you in the next tutorial.